guys, welcome back to question number 8. Number 8 is quite tricky. You can't spend all of your time to calculate all of them. You need to know exactly what you want to find. Let's do it together step by step. I'm going to give you both tips and techniques. Okay. Try to read the question twice. Now they seem like they have two brackets here. Yeah. All of them equal this one. The equation above is true for all x where a and b are constant. They want you to find the value of a, b. So that means they want you to find what is a, b. That's it. Okay. What I'm going to do from here, I would like to simplify this two terms first. And then I'm going to compare with this one. Let's simplify them together step by step. Okay? Well, in case you need my help, I'm going to do this for you. We have ax plus 3, 5x squared minus 2bx plus 4. Okay, first one. Ax times 5x squared is turned to be 5 ax to the power 3. Next one, minus ab x squared and then plus 4ax. It does make sense for you? Yep. Okay, let's do the next one. 3 times 5x squared is plus 15x square minus 3bx and then plus 12. Can you see something from here? They want you to find AB. Where is AB here? AB is here. Let's use different color. AB is in that term, this term with x squared. Like a constant number with x squared. And we still have another x squared here, that's 15. What we're going to do, we're going to find out these two values. Now I have negative abx squared plus 15x squared. So from here I have negative ab plus 15 and all of them times with x squared. I just want to focus on the term x squared. You know why? Because they said that it's equal or something like a lot of information. We don't need to calculate all of this one. We just calculate the term of x squared. And then it means from here, I know that our term negative ab plus 15x squared is equals negative 9x squared. Basically, what does it mean? It means like this one. It means that negative AB plus 15 equal negative 9. I put AB to another side. And equal 15, I put negative 9 to another side. Plus 9. That's it. So, your AB equals 15 plus 9 is 24. And this one is our answer. Okay, I flipped the equation quite quick anyway. So your answer is C, 24. Alright, are you good about this one? Yep, you understand the concept, yeah? We don't need to calculate all of them. We just focus on x squared. And in case some of you don't know how to solve equation, well, from here, what I do really easy, I move negative AB to another side of equation, move negative 9 here, but I flip again. Okay, I do full version for you here in case all of you not sure about this one. Okay, negative AB plus 15 equal negative 9. I will move negative AB to another side of the equation. Actually, I told you already you could use the method elimination or move to other side, but I recommend you to use the method move to other side because it saves time and now we need to save a lot of time, okay? But I just show you the full version. So it's turned to be AB is here. I'm 15 still at the same place. and I move negative 9 here, so from negative it's going to be positive, so that means, and then I flip again, so that means my AB equal 24. That's it. In this one, if you don't know about this, but this one is just extra information. Alright, done. How about I just give you that super quick method. Actually, I do the same method, but I will calculate really quick. I will finish this one within 1 minute. Okay, guys, and here is our super quick version. Quick one, so I need to do quick. From here, I know exactly that I would like to focus on negative. I would like to focus on this term, negative 9x squared. Okay, I'm going to simplify this one. Let's do it. Okay, let's go. Ax times 5x squared is going to be 5a x to the power 3, and next 1 minus ab x squared, and then the next one plus 4ax. Okay, let's do this one as well. Plus 15x squared minus 3bx, and then plus 12. Okay, I know from here I would like to find AB. So I know that they have this term negative abx squared and plus 15x squared. So I plus them together, it's going to be negative ab plus 15, and all of them times with x squared. And I know that this one equal negative 9x squared. So that means negative ab plus 15 equal negative 9. So it's going to be negative ab plus 15 equal negative 9. So ab equal 15 plus 9, which is 24. And I get the answer 24. And that's it. This one is super quick method. I hope you enjoy both method. And if you're ready, we go to the next question together. Okay guys, welcome back to number 18. Number 18, you can see that this one does look like the graph between distance and time. Okay, let's analyze the question together step by step. Okay, from here, what we have here, they said that the graph above show the distance d. So this one is d. In feet, that means the distance of traveling in feet. By a product on a conveyor belt m minute. So the time they put the time m. Normally, when you do this kind of question, you might familiar about they put the time t, but the variable can be anything. You just need to understand the concept. Okay, next one. After the product is placed on the belt, which of the following equation correctly relate to d and m? That means, okay, you can do two things. You can call like, you know that it's part the line. Okay, I draw you this one. We have the linear equation. This one is related about linear equation. That means you need to know the knowledge about linear equation. Do you remember our formula? Y equals m. M is the slope. Mx plus c. Okay. If you still remember this formula, is useful for you a lot. Okay. What is m? M here means slope. C is the constant number. Y here, y is distance d, and x is m, time. But in this question, they put m like a time, the minute. Okay. What else that you can see from the question? You can see that the graph has this point 0, 0. And another point you can see straight away this one as well. When x is 2, y is 4. Does it make sense? 2 and 4, 0, 0. You can match another point as well, but I will match this one because it's easier. Okay, what else that I would like to know? I'm going to find M. Slope, I would like to find slope here. And I know the distance between here and here. Do you remember how to find M? Slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, look at this one. Similar with this point is x1, similar with x1, y1 is here. And this one could be x2, y2. Okay, now I'm going to substitute them. I know that y2 equals 4. Minus y1 equals 0. Divided by x2 is 2. Minus x1 is 0. So it's going to be 4 over 2. And of course, if I cut it, cut to 2. So my m equal 2. Now I get slope. M equal 2. My slope is 2 here. Y similar with D. So my D equal M, I know that M equal 2 times with X. X in this question, X is M. It's mean minute. Yeah, don't confuse with M with slope. X is M, it's mean minute. Okay, M plus C. C is something like a constant number that I don't know. Alright. But from here, I know exactly it starts with 0. I know exactly from here, my C equals 0. D equals to M because C equals 0 plus 0 is 0. So I got the answer. D equals to M. And this one is my answer. But if you want to make sure, you could substitute with 1 point. Okay, I substitute with 0, 0. So D equal to M plus C. I would like to find C. So D is Y. 0 equal to times 0 plus C. This one tends to be 0. So my C equals 0. Anyway, so when I substitute C back here, D equal to M plus 0. So that means our answer have to be D equals to M. And this one is your answer for number 18. Hope you enjoy this question. So we're going to go next. Welcome to the question number 28. This question is about the circle, the formula and radians. In case some of you forget about the formula, I'm going to show you really quick here. Let's look at the share screen and you write down with me step by step. Okay, come back here. They talk about the circle and the formula. Look at this one. This one is the circle. And the one in the middle, do you know how to call it? The dot in the middle, of course, is the center. And we always call the center. What is it? Yes, if you still remember, we call this dot HK. Yeah? And we have the radians. Here, we call this one radians. We put it like R. And we're going to put in our formula. Our formula, we have two brackets look like this. X minus H and all of them square. Plus Y minus K and all of them square. And it equals, this one you need to remember exactly, R square. Are you ready? Let's try to remember the formula of the circle together. Okay, let's go. Remember the model in your mind right now. So you see the circle and then HK is like the center. Yeah? And then we have R, come from radians. And you know that radians is half of the diameter. Okay, you know what? Mathematics is my favorite subject. Mathematics is the subject that I'm really enjoying, and I remember that I got A's in kindergarten until now. Anyway, I'm just enjoying. Okay, let's go. X minus H in the bracket square plus Y minus K in the bracket square equal R square. And again, HK is the center of vertex. Alright, if you're ready, let's see from here. Okay, put everything in the frame here. Okay, let's see. Another question, you have the circle. In the XY plane, you have the center. 5, 7. The radian 2. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? Can you see something after we know all of the formulas? Already this one's so easy, we just put everything in our formula. Of course, let's do it together. The first bracket, I have x minus h. And I know our HK. I know our HK equal 5 and 7. This one is our HK. And I know our R equals 2. So x minus h, that means 5 square plus y minus k. Our k is 7. Yeah? 7. All of them square and it's equal r square. Our r is 2, so 2 square is 4, so it's equal 4. So that means my answer is x minus 5 square, this one, plus y minus 7 square. And it's equal 2 to the power 2 is 4, so your answer have to be A. That's it. Woo! We finished the question today. How do you feel about it? Okay, just remember that you need to practice. Okay, determination leads to success, but don't forget that you need to always be your sunshine and happiness. I don't want you to cry and do mathematics. I want you to be happy. Alright, if you're ready, let's go to the next question together. Hello kids, welcome back to number 38 and you're still with me, Tisha. Okay, this question we're going to learn about function that relate with algebra rule. If you still remember this rule, let I write down here with you step by step. This algebra rule, do you still remember this rule? A squared minus b squared equals to bracket here A minus B. All of them come with A plus B. And that's it. Okay, look at our question together. We're going to analyze the question together. You have fx, you have gx. Look like this one. They said which of the following expression is equivalent to fx divided by gx for x is greater than 3. What we're going to do is we're going to simplify fx first. Fx equal x to the power 3 minus 9x. Can you see something from here? I'm going to take x out of the terms. So it's going to be equal x, and in the bracket we have x squared minus 9. So which is equals x times with x squared minus 3 squared, and is equal x. Do you remember this one? We're going to apply this rule here. Okay, so it's turned to be x squared minus 3 squared turned to be x minus 3 times with x plus 3. Now you have fx. Like this one. Now we're going to work on gx super quick. Gx equal x squared minus 2x minus 3. Do factorization. What is a two number that when you time equal negative 3? About negative 3 and 1, negative 3x and x. And then when you plus them together, it's equal negative 2x. Of course, this one is correct, so I'm going to match them this way. So my gx equals x plus 1 and another one is x minus 3. Let's continue the next one together. What they want you to find? They want you to find, read the question at least twice. They want you to find fx divided by gx. So it's equals, I write down here, fx equal x, x minus 3, and x plus 3. Gx equals x plus 1 times with x minus 3. Can you see something from here? We have x minus 3 and x minus 3 here. So we cut them because when they divided, they tend to be 1. So now I have x still here times with x plus 3 and divided by x plus 1. And this one is our answer. Let's see from the multiple choice. We can see that our answer is D dog and that's it. This one is our answer. Can you see from here it's not too difficult, but you just need to understand all of the concept, the formula, and able to apply the rule, use your critical thinking, and analyze the question. Alright, we finished for number 38. If you're ready, let's go to the number 39 together. Hello everyone, welcome to the question number 48 together, and it is quite my favorite because my background, some of them is I link between mathematics and finance. How about we analyze the question here together? Okay guys, look at the question. John purchased an antique. Okay, this one cost value 200. When you read skim reading about this question, you know straight away that you need to use this formula that I show you right now. Okay. See from here, I hope you can remember this formula. FV is future value, like a value in the future. FV equals PV, present value, times with this one, you need to know the formula. 1 plus R. And all of them the power T. R is interest rate. Try to see from here anyway. Future value, that means money in the future. You want me write down? Okay, I think I should write down the meaning of the formula for you. FV come from future value in the future. PV, present value. The present value, like the value right now. R come from interest rate. T is time, it could be years. One thing that a little bit tricky about R, interest rate, you need to put it in decimal. For example, if they give you 10%, that means 10 over 100 is 0.1. Okay, now we're going to analyze the equation together. Sean purchased an antique that has a value of 200. At the time means right now, so that means PV, present value, equals 200. And what else that we know from here? Look at this one carefully, guys. The value of the antique increased 10%. You know straight away that R equals 10%, which is equal 0.1. Okay, and what else that they give you? You need to read the question at least twice. Don't forget about this information. Read the question twice. Apply with this rule. They said that in 2 years. So that means next 2 years, that means the time equal 2 years. The value in the future turn to be, like this one carefully, 200. A. This one is FV, future value. What they want you to find exactly, they want you to find the value of A. So what I'm going to do from here, I know that FV equals 200A equals PV. They give you PV here, 200. So I write down 200 and all of this one time with 1 plus R. R equals 10%, which is equal 0.1. And T, our time is 2, so it's square. 200 A equals 200. Time with 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1. And all of them square. You can see from here, I solved the equation super quick. I know that 200 can cut with 200 because if you move 200 to another side, it tends to be 1. Now I have, okay, let I use space here. I know that my A equals 1.1 to the power 2. What is 11 times 11? 121, and because they have 2 decimals, so it's 1, 2. So the decimal is here. So my A equals 1.21, and this one is your answer. Can you see something from here? What you need to know, you need to link between the formula that they give you, every formula that I write in here already, and then you link with the information from the question, and that's it. You get all their information, you find the solution, and finally you get the answer. Okay, and we finished the question number 48. Let's go to the question number 49 together.
Myself a lot about the education system here much different from Asia, but I feel like I had great experience both study life. I know about KOI from our website, like a Thai community in Australia. I found that the lecture here are very professional, and I found like an English and research center with Dr. Melanie is very useful, which encourages students to improve their academic skills because I can apply the knowledge for my work.